Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we're going to be showing you how to fix a broken needle on the Brother SE1900. So as you guys can see, we're turning on the black knob to bring down the needle. After the needle is out, you can take a new needle. After the new needle is selected, you need to find the flat and rounded surface area. You're gonna insert the round area facing you. Sorry if you guys can't see, it's a bit hard to film.
Don't poke yourself.
Perfect. After the needle is inserted, you can proceed to tighten your needle in place. And that's pretty much it, guys. So basically the rundown once again, if you can just show them. So the first step is you need to unscrew this black knob. You unscrew this black knob with the tool that's provided for you. After the needle will fall down, you take a new needle and you insert the new needle with the rounded side facing you. After you tighten the black knob, and you can do a tread test. If ever you guys need replacement needles or tools to fix a broken needle for your Brother SE1900, links will be down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Hole printing. Make a print you'll never forget.